Welcome to the opening ceremony of the 10th Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering, SBESC 2020. I now call Professor Raimundo Macedo, President of the Brazilian Computing Society, for his welcome message.
Dear participants of the Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering, I am Professor Raimundo Macedo, President of the Brazilian Computer Society. I'd like to congratulate the organizers, General Chair, Professor Antônio Augusto, and the program committee chairs, Professors Ivan Miller and Song Han, and all other organizers and people who worked to make this conference possible in this very challenging period of time. And I take this moment also to express my condolences to the families and friends of the victims of the COVID-19 pandemic, this terrible pandemic. It's really my great pleasure to be here in this opening session of this conference. And it's a very active community. And I've been attending quite a few of these conferences, and I know how much inspiring and productive all these conferences have been to all of us who work in the computing systems engineering domain. So I wish you all participants a great conference, moments of exchanging experiences and learning new things in this very important field of computer science. Wish you the best. Welcome to the Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering. Thank you very much.
I now call Professor Terry Martin, President of the Ieee Industrial Electronics Society, for a welcome message.
Good morning. I'm Terry Martin, President of the Ieee Industrial Electronics Society. And as President, I would like to extend to you a welcome to the Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering. This symposium is an initiative of the research community originally associated with the Real-Time Systems Workshop, the Operating Systems Workshop, the Embedded Systems Workshop, and the Critical Embedded Systems Conference. This symposium recognizes the strong synergy between these different areas and is a reflection of the multidisciplinary composition of the Industrial Electronics Society. I might also add that the Industrial Electronics Society has technically co-sponsored this symposium for the past 2 years and looks forward to continuing this sponsorship in the future. I would like to say a few words about the Industrial Electronics Society. IES is a very strong IEEE society and has just recently surpassed the 9,000 member mark, which is an all-time high for the society. I might also add that IES was one of the first IEEE societies to embrace the world as a technical society. And today our membership truly reflects an international society. We have members from more than 100 countries worldwide. As president, I would also like to encourage you to publish in one of our 5 flagship journals and our society magazine. You can go to our website at IEEE-IES.org to get more information. As many of you know, organizing a conference is no simple task, and I would like to express my appreciation to the organizing committee for rallying together to bring this virtual conference to you this week. A big thumbs up to everyone in making this conference successful. Once again, welcome to the Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering, and have a wonderful conference.
I now call Professor Sebastião Soares, UFSC's Pro-Rector for Research, to give his message to SBESC's attendees.
Boa noite. Em nome da Universidade Federal de Santa Catarina, gostaria de dar as boas-vindas aos participantes do 10º Simpósio Brasileiro de Engenharia de Sistemas de Computação. Obrigado por acreditarem na ciência e na tecnologia e contornarem as dificuldades da pandemia na concretização deste evento, que foi realizado e pensado totalmente na forma remota. Eventos dessa magnitude que debatem temas atuais, na fronteira do conhecimento e de alta demanda, como a internet das coisas, inteligência artificial e sistemas embarcados, necessitaram a dedicação de uma série de pessoas. Mais de 50 membros estiveram envolvidos nas comissões organizadoras e científicas deste simpósio. Quero, portanto, reconhecer o empenho de todos, representados aqui na figura do seu coordenador geral, professor Antônio Augusto Flores, assim como de sua coordenadora local, professora Patrícia Plentes. Quero também fazer um agradecimento a todos os palestrantes, participantes e patrocinadores que viabilizaram este evento. E neste contexto trago aqui o compromisso da nossa universidade em estar ao lado da Sociedade Brasileira de Computação nas iniciativas de pesquisa nas suas diversas vertentes. For the international audience, a very good evening to everyone, and thank you for joining us at the 10th Brazilian Symposium on Computing System Engineering. I would like to present my compliments to our academic colleagues and administrative authorities participating in this opening ceremony and express to you my deep satisfaction for sharing this important moment for the development of computing system engineering. From this symposium, you are in this day the center of Brazil on computing system engineering. I can't forget to thank our sponsor. Finally, I want to offer special thanks to the organizing committee for their commitment to ensuring the success of this symposium, represented by General Chair Professor Antônio Augusto Flores and local organization in the person of Professor Patrícia Plentes. Thank you to be here and enjoy the symposium. Thank you.
I now call Marcos Rocha, the Superintendent of Science, Technology and Innovation of the city of Florianópolis, to give his message.
Hello everyone, here is Marcos Rocha. I'm the Superintendent of Science, Technology and Innovation of the city of Florianópolis. I'd like to greet you all researchers at the Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering and wish you all a successful event. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, this year the event has to be online. But we hope that next year everyone can be here in Florianópolis. Have a very good symposium, everyone. Bye-bye.
I now call Professor Antônio Augusto Frelich, SBESC's General Chair, for the organizing committee's message.
On behalf of the organizing committee, I'm pleased to welcome you to the 10th Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering, a conference promoted by the Technical Committee on Computing Systems Engineering of the Brazilian Computer Society and co-sponsored by IES and Ieee. Our original intention was to be hosting you in Florianópolis right now to celebrate SBESC's 10th anniversary. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the conference has been moved to the cloud. So welcome to the cloud. Let me begin by recapping a little bit of the conference history. SBESC was created here in Florianópolis in 2011 as a fusion of national events on real-time systems, operating systems, and embedded systems. SBESC quickly became the premier forum in Brazil to discuss both theoretical and practical aspects of computing systems engineering. The conference now gathers researchers, professionals, and students from different areas focused on the engineering of infrastructures to support applications in areas such as cyber-physical systems, industrial automation, the Internet of Things, and autonomous systems. The program this year features a main track with the presentation of 40 full papers and 19 work-in-progress papers organized in 9 technical sessions. These papers have been selected by our program committee out of over 100 submissions. The main track also includes 4 keynote talks and a panel to discuss strategies to engage more women in the field of computing engineering. Besides the main track, we'll also have the Embedded Systems School with 8 tutorials and 1 invited talk, and the Embedded Systems Competition, with students from all over the country competing with their embedded system projects. I finish with an invitation for you to join us in Florianópolis in 2021, hopefully vaccinated. Enjoy the conference and have a lot of technical discussions along the week.
The opening ceremony of the 10th Brazilian Symposium on Computing Systems Engineering is now finished. We wish you a fruitful week of technical and scientific discussions.